police are still in the house. I've got my baked beans still. Right, this is episode summit, but I can't remember. I've got my beans in tomatoes, fucking sauce. 420 grams!
Where have you fucking gone now, Ed? Fuck! You put your fucking hands up now!
I'm sorry, officer, it wasn't me!
What the fuck is that doing down there?
I was looking behind the... I was spring cleaning! And I found baked beans behind the couch!
You do not fucking live here. I know who fucking lives here, knobhead.
Who lives here?
Fucking Gerald, up, down fucking town. He's gonna fucking He's gonna fucking town.
Well, that's good.
Fucking Robin, get the fuck up now.
Can I have my baked beans?
Fucking no, you fucking stole them. You can put them.
I didn't steal them.
You fucking did. Now fucking put them back.
Alright, I'll put them back. I'm gonna take them back. Nice.
Fucking.
It's got a dent. It's got a bloody dent in it now. Well done.
Fucking don't get fucking caught.
What are you doing?
Fucking walk now.
I am walking.
Fucking walk. You put that fucking back. Fucking knock you out, fucking knobhead.
You're a cop.
Yeah, fucking am.
Fucking few peas.
Oh, fucking get away from that cupboard now, you. Fucking let me check your fucking pockets or I'll fucking shoot your ass.
I don't have now in my pocket.
Cap in your ass.
That's just my ass.
Right, alright. Fucking
That's my
nipples.
penis. That's my penis.
Fucking nipples.
That's my nipples.
Not nothing in there, fucking nipples. Right, get the fuck out of this house. I don't want to fucking see you again.